In this video, I'm going to teach you how to link Notion with Google Calendar. If you're juggling tasks in Notion and appointments in Google Calendar, you know how challenging it can be to keep everything in sync. This integration is a game changer for productivity, bringing your planning into one cohesive workflow. So let's dive right in and get your calendars talking to each other. Now, since Notion and Google Calendar don't have a direct built-in two-way sync, we'll be using a common approach: a third-party automation tool. Think of these tools as bridges that help different apps communicate. First, you'll need to choose an automation platform. Popular options include Zapier or Make. For this guide, let's assume you've chosen one and created an account. The next step is to connect Notion to your chosen automation tool. Look for the option to add a new connection or integration for Notion. You'll be prompted to log into your Notion account and grant the automation tool permission to access your workspaces. Make sure to select the specific pages or databases you want to sync. This allows the tool to read and write information. Once Notion is connected, it's time to link your Google Calendar. Similar to Notion, you'll find an option to connect Google Calendar. Sign in with your Google account and grant the necessary permissions. You'll specify which calendar you want to use for the integration, perhaps your primary calendar or a dedicated Notion Tasks calendar. After both platforms are authorized, the crucial part is setting up your workflow, often called a zap or scenario. This is where you define the if this, then that rules. For example, you might say, if a new item is added to my Notion Tasks database, then create an event in Google Calendar. You'll map the fields like the Notion task name to the Google Calendar event title and the Notion due date to the Google Calendar event times. Finally, test your connection. Create a sample task in Notion or an event in Google Calendar based on your setup. Watch to see if it appears correctly in the other application. Once you confirm it's working, activate your workflow, and congratulations! Your Notion and Google Calendar are now linked. By following these steps, you've successfully created a powerful link between your Notion tasks and your Google Calendar events for a more organized digital life. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below with your favorite Notion or Google Calendar tip, and don't forget to subscribe for more productivity hacks. Thanks for watching.